Hi, this is Dave Roman with the Salt Lake City Fire Department. In this brief presentation, I will provide an overview of the online GRAMA request form. So over the last couple of days, I've taken the paper forms that we have for GRAMA requests, and I've consolidated them into one online form that's accessible in a couple of ways. First and foremost is to go to the main fire department website at slcfire.com and click on this GRAMA link. The other way of accessing this form is to go to your favorite web browser and type in the word fire, grama.com. It'll take you to the exact same place. On the very first page, it talks about some basic information, including the fee schedule for the typical types of GRAMA requests that we received. One of the things it also points out is there's a deadline field down here. This is only if an individual needs the GRAMA request fulfilled sooner than the typical 10 business days for most of our requests. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. An individual just goes in and fills out the information as it's requested. They give an indication of how they want to receive it, electronic or email versus physical mail. Please note if physical mail is selected, then the requester address appears. Otherwise, the email is sufficient. We've already talked about the deadline. And then finally, the type of category of report that an individual wants to get, whether it be an incident report, an investigative report, or an environmental site assessment. Please note that the selection that the customer makes will dictate the questions that are asked next in the workflow. So for an example, environmental site assessment will just ask them for the site address. If you select on one of these other ones, like fire incident or investigative report, it's going to ask them for quite a bit more information. And what I basically did was just grabbed the paper form that y'all have been using and just plugged in the information that is indicated on that form into here. For simplicity purposes, I'm just going to select Other and hit the Next button. In this case, it's asking just for general indication of the type of records that's being requested. Finally, regardless of the type of request they put in, the customer is always given the option of including additional information and special handling instructions. When the form is submitted, what it does is a couple of things. First and foremost, it sends a receipt to the customer via the email address they provided. Secondarily, this automatically forwards on to the administrative staff at the fire department. Everyone will receive it so that the most appropriate person in the department who can fulfill that request will go ahead and do that. And we have some backup folks available in case somebody's out on vacation. On the inside of the site, what these responses are collected in basically a cloud database. Kind of looks like a spreadsheet, and these are real GRAMA requests that have come in on the system. Both of these have been submitted. This one needs to be completed. Basically, these first two fields right here just give an indication. It allows you to indicate the date that it was completed. Oops. And who completed it. Now, at some point in time in the future, I anticipate that we will move to the citywide GRAMA request system. And I think it would be fantastic if in that system we had the ability as well to not only indicate the date and who completed it, but also to upload what was provided. That way we actually have a record of the stuff that was provided to our customers through a GRAMA request. That's pretty much in a nutshell. For those divisions of the department who fulfill GRAMA requests frequently, I'd recommend that you go to firegrama.com, go ahead and submit a couple of requests so you can get familiar with the system, and let me know if there's any additional information that needs to be included on the intake side of things. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. I'm at 801-799-3540. Thank you.